Hello, my name is Xavier and you are seeing Xavier Production. Welcome to our Python video tutorial. Whether you are new programming or have some experience, we will cover Python course, syntax error, variable input output, and more. We will guide you through hands-on examples and exercise setting you on the path becoming confident Python programmer. Let's begin with an exciting journey. I am your instructor in this Python course. In this video, you learn everything that you learn in Python. Python is an object-oriented language, and people like to learn it. So in this video, I will teach you about Python. So let's get started. Before starting this video, let me answer first that why we not learn Java, Python, Java, C++, or Rust, or other programming language. Now you can see here the is Java code is looking much difficult to learn. Now here you can see Python course, Python code. Here a plus a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20. Result is equal to a plus b, print the sum is result. Now you can see here the Python code is looking much better than Java, because Java is a difficult language. Like here you write a public class of add two integers, this, and here int a is equal to 10, b is equal to 10, colon sign, everything. So now int a is equal to a plus b, very difficult to print it. System dot out is the print the sum is plus sum. So now here print the sum is result. Now you can see the Python code is looking much better than Java. So that's why we learn Python, not Java. So that's why we learn Java, Python, not Java, or other programming language. So let's get started with our code, Python code. So we should use, I am using Python for writing a code. You should use any other code editor to write a code. So now I am using Python for a code editor. You can use any other code editor. Now I can make a new project called Xavier Production Python full course teaching. Now you should create it in this window. It is creating this file. The Hello World program is a simply introductory program that displays the text Hello World on the screen. It often the first program thought to be beginner in any programming language. In Python, a Hello World program look like this. So we write here the Hello World. Before we write print what we want to print it. Print quotations and write hello world. So just print it. Now you see that hello world is printed. Now you know how it's used. So what does that mean, print? Print means to print the function to print that was inside the quotations. So I will give you an example of print. Like when you print something, when you want to print a page, you should go to printer and write in computer we write print. So it print the page. So that's how this works. So when we remove the quotation and write single quotations, write single quotations, and when I press run, so it says hello world is printed. Single quotation, double quotation is also allowed. When we remove the quotations, what happens? When I press run, so it gets error that sentence is error, forgot a comma. So when you write this, first I tell you that this is a sign of the error. So you should write this and this. So run it and it says hello world is printed. Now here you should write print, but print the number 654 whatever. So it says 64321. It's print number. Now you should remove the quotations. And when you run it, so it's like 6325 whatever. So now you know that this number is print without quotations. In quotation it's print automatically. So now you know that strings, we should write quotation in strings. So here remove this, we should make an imagination doc, print dot this and print whatever to print it. So here we should write space and this. So when I press run, so oops, I forgot operation. So when I press run, it makes a validation dog. So here I should say print, I will go to print it. Here we should print Python is good. I press run, it said Python is good. No, Python is teach by the spelling what happened? Taught. Oh yes. So here when I press run, it says Python is taught by Xavier. So it makes us a test. So now you can see print a number but 3 run set 3. So what should we print? Multiply by 6 divided by 7 plus multiply by 6 plus 7 minus 4 multiply by 9. So it's run. So it says minus 4.0 here. So multiply again by 56, so it's 5. So when I press run, it says 132. Now here are point sign. We should remove the point sign, so we should write float sign, so enter, so the minus 35. So now you know the basics Python print function. So now you know about print function and everything basics in Python starting. So in next video we will look at variables.